ஹலோ குட் மார்னிங் ஆல். ஸோ ஃப்ரைடே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு டவ் ஜோன்ஸ் வந்து பயங்கர நெகட்டிவாக க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. உக்ரைன் ரஷ்யா இஷ்யூ. ஸோ ஆன் ஃப்ரைடே the markets, US markets closed negative due to Ukraine Russia issues, and even in the weekend there were talks about the status of Ukraine Russia issue. If you see now, if you see the futures, real time futures, SGX Nifty showing negative opening around 1%, and whereas other markets like Dow Jones, no, it's completely flat. When you come down to other Asian markets like Nikkei is flat, Hang Seng, Hang Seng is like less than 0.05. Hang Seng is the main index. So Australian index is flat. Korean index, I don't know whether it's on a holiday. So that's it. So market to, when it opens, it may come back. It may bounce back a bit because the global Qs up like almost the global indexes are almost flat. So this FTSE is Italian, the European, and it belongs to Italy, so it opens only in the afternoon. So don't see this. If you see other Asian markets like Nikkei, Hang Seng, so all are in flat position. Even though the futures almost flat. So let's wait for the opening. If you see the Bank Nifty daily chart, so this is a trend. So unless the candle closes below 37,740, no, don't be long. And so this is RSI. So this is daily candle. So wait for the candle to close. If the daily candle close below this, when the RSI close below this, then we can think about buying a put option. Same goes to Nifty. Nifty RSI, it's like a kind of head and shoulders format, and there's a strong support at 17,140.30. So it looks like if the market opens near this range, it can immediately bounce back. This is according to daily chart. So this is the 5 minute chart. So since we 5 minute chart, so there's a strong support in this area. So I think market is going to open around this area according to SGX Nifty. If it opens around this area, you can buy call options. Like I say a disclaimer, I'm not a professional, so you can, if you are going to buy something, you can. I will try to buy call option around here. Similarly, for Bank Nifty, this is a strong support area. Now even see 5 minutes candle is no. If you see the 1 hour candle, is same. So if you're going to do scalping, or if you're going to be holding a position for short time, this 1 hour candle is not necessary, because for this is mostly for positional trader. But we need to know the overall trend. No? So this is the thing. So if you see the RSI, so this is below this only. See, market might open around this. If we raise the end, it can bounce back. So even for 5 minutes, the same. I'm expecting a bounce back immediately when the market opens, or at least in next 15 minutes. If market open negative, it can drag under my below and it can go up. So when you're going to enter, please enter in the right premium. So let's see the pre-market opening at what. So Nifty, it's opening below 17,000 as of now, but still 6 minutes are there, and so this is very worrying. So if market sustains below 17,000 for some time, then 16,800 will be your first support. Then go. So let's wait. So if it opens around 16,000, let's see the chart. See, 16,982 is the neckline support. You can see 16,000. So market might open around this support level. Okay, if it closes below your see, this is a big candle. So the it maximum it can go to 16,829, which was like last 2 weeks low. No, it was this was the low around 16,800 something. So market is opening around this according to the pre-opening 16,900 something, below 17,000. So we should be careful if you want to buy call, make sure if any candle closes some below 16,000, then we can exit the position with loss. So see 400, luckily as I told in the previous call, luckily as I said in the previous call, we didn't carry forward any positions. So that's if you went anywhere like call option or something, looking at on this market, we would have stuck. Definitely, I think there will be increase in VIX today. Okay. See, we want to see the pre-market opening and which index is dragging the market, whether it's Nifty or Bank Nifty. Mm, So let's see. So if 400, if Nifty 50 is opening minus 400 points, I guess the Bank Nifty should open at least 800 to 1000 points below, at least 37,500. But let's wait. That's not confirmed. So 37,500 comes around, which almost to this level is support line might be. Let's wait for confirmation. So don't we want to go to 15 minutes chart. So it is a kind of, see, if you see is this is a small kind of a, a head and shoulders pattern. So if you see here, so market is so this is 5 minute chart, sorry 15 minute chart. So let's wait for opening. So if the I'm see market just slightly reversed back up 17,000, which is good because 17,000 there will be many call writers are Nifty. Let's go for 17,000 call option and put option. Similarly, Bank Nifty. Let's wait for opening and we can add the strike price. So pre-market opening. So I think you guys already subscribed. So according to 320 strategy on Friday, see if you bought any put option, definitely will be in good profit. ஸோ மார்க்கெட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லைக் ஒரு புல் பேக் கொடுத்து திருப்பியும் 17,000 மேலே க்ளோஸ் ஸ்ட்ரகிள் ஆகி திருப்பி கீழே வருது. ஸோ 1 hour candle. See, this is the key level. மார்க்கெட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இன்னைக்கு ரேஞ்ச் பவுண்டாக கூட முடியல. ஏன்னா ஓப்பன் இன்னைக்கு ஃப்ரைடேவும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஓப்பன் கேப் அப் ஆகிட்டு அப்போ ரேஞ்ச் பவுண்டு கேப் டவுன் ஆகி ரேஞ்ச் பவுண்ட் ஆகிறதுனால ஸோ இன்னைக்கு ஹைலேருந்து ஸோ இன்னைக்கு லோ இதுக்குள்ளே ரேஞ்ச் பவுண்டும் ஆகலாம். பட் வெயிட் வி ஷுட் வெயிட். ஸோ அந்த ஓப்பனிங் பிக் கேண்டில் அந்த மீன் ஃப்ரைடே ஓவர் நைட் பொசிஷன் யாராவது எடுத்திருந்தீங்கன்னா பயங்கர ப்ராஃபிட் இருப்பீங்க. ஸோ மார்னிங் புட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா ப்ராஃபிட் இருப்பீங்க. ஸோ மற்ற டேட்டில் நமக்கு கிளியரான என்ட்ரி கிடைக்கல. நான் வந்து ஓப்பனிங் கொஞ்சம் கால் போனேன். ஸோ ஸ்டில் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணுறேன். ஏன்னா எனக்கு இந்த சப்போர்ட் ஜோன் இந்த குளோபல் மார்க்கெட் ஃப்ளாட்டாக இருக்குது. ப்ளஸ் இங்கே ஸ்ட்ராங் சப்போர்ட் ஜோன் இருக்குது நிஃப்டிக்கு. ஸோ அதுதான். பட் லாஸ்ட்டில் தான் இருக்குது. பட் ஐ மீன் லாஸ். ஸோ லெட்ஸ் வெயிட். ஸோ ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஒயிட் சார்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஓவராலாக இன்னும் நெகட்டிவாக டேர்ன் ஆகலை பேங்க் நிஃப்டி பொறுத்த வரைக்கும். ஏன்னா இது ரொம்ப பேரிஷ்னா புட் ரைட்டிங் பெருசாக ஓவரால் இல்லை ஆரம்பிக்கல. நிஃப்டிக்கும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பெரிய கேப் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒய் அனாலிசிஸ் ஒய் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ். ஸோ பேங்க் நிஃப்டி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கால் 38,500 தான் பெரிய சப்போஸ். இந்த இடத்துல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பெரிய கால் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆன மாதிரி எனக்கும் தெரியல. So there is no increase. So if you think in see 17,400, see 17,000 put option as the highest rating. Okay, similarly for bank nifty 37,000 as the highest put rating. So see the marketers and the put raters have not yet given up. And call data, so you can see the rating is almost away 38,500. I think there is a small position charges 1,500, but if you see that the strike put as highest or interest. If you see here still the market is kind of recovering close to lows, but a complete recovery will be about today's high. Till that there can be a range play. So if anyone want to get into any position, no, buy call above this, buy put above today's low. Or if you don't want to buy put, then buy only call above this. So for bank nifty 2 we can see this is like a small doji candle and it's recovering. So above this today's same goes to bank nifty 70 anywhere around 17. You can wait till 17,700. It will be a very good call option buy. It's too early to draw because the candle is not yet closed. But let's see. If you want to see hourly candle, the clearly as per the trend line, the market has opened below. But always I prefer even in the daily. So should wait for the close. Whether if market closes in green like above this, like about today's high, then the trend line is a failure. So always wait for a candle to close. And if you see all things, see this or oversold thing. Even in daily there is a breakdown, but we can wait for today's candle close for confirmation. If the market gives a bounce back and once again sold off and it closes below this trend line, and it's difficult. So nowadays, no, most of the times markets, if correction, if it's corrected 2% today, it's increasing with 3% the other day. So we should be very careful. So see, today's Nifty 50 open, you can't say open is quite high, whereas Bank Nifty too same. So you can see 17,000 level. If you see now, oil pulse to see, there's no we can note this. There's a for Nifty first we can note. So for Nifty, you can see for 17,000 call open interest around 21 lakh, whereas it's 42 lakh put. So we can keep on this level. So if put OI is reducing and call OI is increasing, then you can see 20,000 will act as resistance. But till the market around 17,000 is, see, you can see this level 17,000 is it's not able to cross. See, whenever it reaches this 17,000 level, it's a sell off. It's wait whether if this if it closes above, then we can tell that. So there is no 1 minute candle here. Or else oh yeah, it's available. See, maybe I will draw a line. So wait for this range, and the volume is high. Okay, let's see whether this will see, will this act as a thing for Nifty. See, like we say on Monday and last 2 days, no, there's a gap up and range bound, and today also market is beginning like there's a gap down and a small range play. Whether we should wait until 3:30, whether any range is getting broken at any part of the day. So if you see the global thing, all are flat, including the futures. So keep an eye on the futures. If there's a small recovery, if our market can recover. If there's a small, there's a selling in the future, we can we don't. So let's wait. So this is for today's. If you see like Friday's candle shape, there's a gap down and there's a range play. So even on last Thursday, there's a gap up and there was a range play till this level, and suddenly a breakout and it came down and then break down. And the here also there is a range play. Okay. Let's see here. You can see exactly the triangle what it on. It's acting as supporters, like small support in 1 minute candle. See, since it's 1 minute candle, there will be a lot of noise. We cannot get a concrete solution, but it can help us. It's like small congestion zone. So anytime anywhere if it goes above 17,000 this time, then we can expect 17,024 and 74. If it's go below, then you can expect this. But wait for the candle close. That's the important thing. RSI, I think RSI for 1 minute is like this won't work most of the time, but we can still try it. Because I always say the lower the candle, higher the noise. So we need lots of experience and lots of patience, no, to play with 1 minute candle. So higher candles give lesser noise, but the entry and exit, will not help us because sometimes mostly after we enter, no, there will be a flat movement. See, let's check the oil pulse. Is it any? See, 22 lakh, 43 lakh. So let's note this number 22 lakh 41,000. 22 lakh 41,000. And this is 43 lakh 14,000. So 43 lakh 14,000. This is C. This is P. This is because we can just track this whether there's a change in. Yeah, this is for overall. If we see, if we want to in OI today, this is 17,100 is a put unwinding. This is like kind of intraday, and this is strong addition in 17,100. So this is like a individual today's change. This for entire week. So let's where's Nifty? This is Nifty. See, if we see 15 minutes candle, this is how it becomes. So completely there is no green candle in 15 minutes, which is worrisome. A Nifty 5 minutes chart, same. It's almost to today's low. It's clearly Bank Nifty is the culprit, which is dragging the market. So these are the levels today. So below today's low, today's low, today's high are the range for follow. So around today's low, some if you can try call option, but wait for if it's closing below today's low, then avoid call option for some time. Even closing about today's high, you can go for like around today's high, you can try put option, but wait for the candle. And if it's a range, then today will be. If not, if the range is to be broken, you can just enter the position like this. But as of now, it's clearly oversold market. And another key thing is global markets are flat, not completely negative. So always keep eye on. See, Dow futures is flat. You can see global market. This is March for this is not today's market. This European market opens in the afternoon. If we see Nikkei topic Samsung, like they are mixed kind of. See, most Singapore is flat. Australia is flat. So that's why we are almost 2% down, which is against the global thing. But let's wait. So anytime with the Dow gives up, then we will not recover. If Dow is not giving up, there is a slight chance we may try hit today's high and may reverse back or something like that. But we should wait. See, it's nothing in the hands. Let's see whether today is broken, but it looks like a range. See, market is really very slow and there's no momentum on follow through on downside, or there's uh, the market is not moving higher too. It's kind of stuck in the this way. It's very boring. So this is the day. So maybe if there's any range breakout, okay, I will come live again because it's very boring. So let's wait and I'll come back live again. Maybe if this any today's high or today's low is broken, we can see how market reacts and where are the support and resistance. But till this range is broken, it kind of premium eating or a range boundary. So thanks guys. So keep the level to keep the level this mind today's high and today's low. So these are the key levels. And if you want to go to overnight position, see already the daily trend line is broken. So closing below this trend line itself is a negative, and but these days the markets are weird. So today there's if there's a downside of 3%, tomorrow there's up of 3%. So it's not advisable to go to overnight position unless you're like you're in good profit and you're ready to take some overnight risk. No, you can do that. See, market is close to 17,000. Whether we can see there's a sell off like small pullback out on this level. If 17,000 level is taken out and the candle, if 15 or 5 minutes candle is closing about that, then a small it can go up to small resistance here, but it if this is also taken, then high, but we should wait. So market is really testing the patience. See here, so let's wait. 17,025 is the level to watch. See, around I think this level, because this is where the market previous green candle now high. If you are positional trader, hourly chart or some other chart will or daily chart, you can notice that if you are purely intraday or you are just playing purely for within you're not interested in carrying the position, no, then less than 15 minutes candle will work. But fluctuations will be and noise will be little high. But we should develop or we should have practice and take important notes or on how market reacts for the period of time. That once we gain experience, no, we'll like our decision making will get improved. See, there are no traders who has 100% successful strategy. It's maximum 60, 70, some have 80, but still we should see you can see 17,000. So today's like small intraday level 17,000. So unless 17,000 is taken, candle closes above 17,000, it's today's high will not be touched. So you can clearly see that around 17,000 and market just came back. So Bank Nifty is completely the dragger. So if you see in the 5 minutes chart, you see there are some like the candle is small, but Bank Nifty is absolutely flat. So it's around 326. So this is the level. It should 37,500 and until that no it's so you can see the candle completely flat and boring. Nifty 52 it's actually boring. So if you enter also no you will get like minimum profit that, which will go to your brokerage. So okay guys, I am just come about support I will be by so by so to this high to this low range based on that you can enter so enter the position so market very slow and no much momentum as of now. So let's wait. Okay, guys, then I will come live again after some time if any range is broken. Bye.